Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Sana Vogue. In this video, I'm going to tell you about skincare. Skin caring is important in our life. If you are a human being, you must do a skincare. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to prevent your skin from harmful HOLI colors. I'm making this video because pandemics are almost over in 2022 and Holi is coming. So all will play Holi. Holi is a very huge and very colorful festival in India. So all love to play Holi. So the colors are also nowadays lots of chemical and that is very harmful to skin and hair. So I thought let's make some skincare about how to prevent your skin from harmful and chemical colors. I don't have any product on my skin right now. Actually, first of all, if you want to prevent your skin from harmful reaction or pimples or anything, first you should hydrate your skin properly. First thing to do hydrate your skin is drink plenty of water. And the summer also coming, so you need to hydrate your skin first. Drinking water is the first thing to hydrate your skin, and the skincare products are a next thing. Today I am going to show you the products are easily available in the market, and so yeah, let's get started. First I am going to tie my hair. The first product which I am going to use is Bella Vita Organic New Age Ayurveda Glow Rose Water Face Toner and Mist. I'm gonna use this because it hydrates your skin very much. I'm just spraying, and it also refreshes your skin. It's so refreshing. Let it be dry. Next I'm going to apply a moisturizer. It almost dry, so now I'm going to apply a moisturizer. Here you have to note this point. I'm going to apply this Pond's moisturizer along with castor oil. I'm going to take this much of moisturizer in my palm. Now I'm gonna take 2-3 drops of this castor oil. Enough. This is very enough. I'm going to mix this moisturizer and the castor oil together. I'm using castor oil with moisturizer cause castor oil has a very thick consistent. I don't like that thick consistency to apply on my skin directly, so I am mixing with this moisturizer. And also you can apply a vitamin C serum before the moisturizer. If you regularly use vitamin C serum means you can apply a vitamin C serum and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes before moisturizer. You should have to give time between vitamin C serum and moisturizer. Then only serum soak into the skin and it hydrates, and it will not do any damages also. So now I'm going to apply on my skin. This is a lightweight moisturizer, so I'm applying lots of moisturizer on my skin to absorb well, and it keeps my skin hydrates. And also I have mixed the castor oil. Do you know that castor oil is very good ingredient for your skin? It keeps your skin hydrate, nourish, moisturize, and also it prevents from lots of damages like acne, pimples. So that I'm using today castor oil to prevent skin from harmful colors. Just tap on your skin. And also castor oil acts as a humectant. I have already told about humectants in one of my moisturizing review video. Apply on your neck, ears. After applying these products, give some time to soak. Again I'm taking 1 drop of castor oil and warming in my fingers to apply on my under eyes. Actually what the colors always makes your skin dry, your hair dry. We are making a perfect proper strong skin shield on our skin to prevent from lots of chemical colors and shimmery colors. Nowadays the shimmery colors are coming in the market. Most of them are telling that colors contains lots of mirror particles, so avoid that kind of colors. Use some light colors like gulal. When you apply moisturizer serum slowly on your skin, it soaks into the skin. It absorbs lots of product. When it absorbs lots of product, there is no place to absorb other things. So if you play with any colors or anything, it won't absorb into the skin. It will not soak any other thing on your skin when it already soaks lots of products, lots of good products on your skin. I am giving some time to absorb this. like 5 to 10 minutes. And now is the main part. I am going to use the sunscreen, the good sunscreen, the sunscreen which has 30 SPF at least. Today I am going to apply a sunscreen with 50 SPF plus, which is from the brand Neutrogena Ultra Shade Dry Touch Sunblock. This sunscreen is the final step in the skincare, always. So I have already loaded a lots of moisturizing nourishes products on my skin and it soaked well. So now I'm going to apply this. And also main point is, don't think my skin is looking oily, very dark. Don't think like that, because you are going to play with the colors. You must need to do a skincare. You should have to take care of your skin. I'm placing sunscreen all over my face, neck and ears. Apply sunscreen before 10 minutes to step out. So yeah, in this skincare I have used a toner. Toner is optional. So moisturizer, castor oil and sunscreen. These three are very main for your skin to prevent from harmful colors and the sun damages. And for lips, Vaseline is enough. If you are playing Holi in this year 2022, then do a skincare like this. It won't disappoint you. It will not damage your skin at all. Hope you like it. Hope you have get some information from this video about skincare. And this is my Instagram ID. You can check it out from there also. Yeah, happy Holi. Play safe. Be safe. And yeah, next video is about hair care. How to prevent your hair and scalp from HOLI Colors, that is a harmful chemical colors. So yeah, stay tuned, and next video is coming soon. So stay tuned. Bye bye. See you soon. Encore une fois, si on s'est